Where did the Spirit lead Jesus after he was baptized? The desert. How many days was Jesus without food? 40 days and 40 nights. What did the devil tempt Jesus to do first? Turn stones into bread. What did Jesus tell the devil? Man cannot live by bread alone, but needs every word that is spoken by the living God. The devil took Jesus to the highest point of the temple. What did he tell Jesus to do? Throw himself down. Who did the devil say would protect Jesus? The angels. What did Jesus say? Do not put the Lord your God to the test. What did the devil show Jesus last? All the kingdoms of the world in all their greatness. What did the devil tell Jesus to do if he wanted it all? Kneel down and worship him. What did Jesus tell the devil? Worship the Lord your God and serve only him. What Christian season starts this month and also lasts for 40 days? Lent.